everybody. Okay, hi, this is Heather, and as you are all aware, September is National Sickle Cell Anemia Awareness Month. And also, as you are aware, over the past 2 months, there has been a viral video going around about the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Well, sickle cell anemia is equally devastating to the people who have it, and it is equally life-threatening. I have had sickle cell anemia diagnosed from the very precious age of 3. I have gone through numerous painful vaso-occlusive crises, which has landed me in the hospital on numerous occasions. My hemoglobin level on average tends to run between 10 and 11, with the normal being 12 to 14 for women. So as you can see, the name anemia comes from the lowered hemoglobin level. On occasion, mine has fallen below 10, which requires blood transfusions. The lowest mine has ever fallen is to 6, and at that point, I was required to get 5 units of blood. I have had multiple surgeries due to sickle cell anemia, and each time I've had to have surgery, I've had to have blood donated on my behalf. So back to the challenge. Why am I talking to my camera? There are 2 challenges going on currently in regards to sickle cell anemia, and one is the Bobbing for Apples challenge. That one consists, as I have previously posted on my Facebook page, that consists of bobbing for apples in icy cold water. Well, if you know anything about sickle cell anemia, I am not supposed to interact with icy cold anything. Water, snow, ice, anything. If I do, it can put me in a vaso-occlusive crisis, which will require hospitalization. The longest I have ever had a vaso-occlusive crisis for was for 6 months, and that was 3 weeks after I said I do to my husband. God bless his heart. He has loved me through thick and thin, through better and worse. And as Pastor David Long said at the ceremony, will he continue that relationship until his heart stops beating? His heart has not stopped beating, and he has not stopped loving me through sickness and health. Okay, so this challenge is for those of us with sickle cell anemia who cannot do the Bobbing for Apples challenge. It's called Bold Lips for Sickle Cell Anemia. It requires just to put on your boldest lipstick, which I don't wear lipstick, but I do have one. It's brown, so on my complexion, it's not really very bold. Maybe tomorrow I'll go out and buy neon green or purple, and I'll post that to Facebook. However, we are asked to put on our boldest lipstick and say something about sickle cell anemia. As I have shared already, I have sickle cell anemia. My parents have struggled with watching their daughter be ill for all of my life. And currently where I am with sickle cell, one would say I'm at the end stage portion. Sickle cell is going to cost me my life. I have known that from I was about 10 years old and got my first book on sickle cell anemia. And I'm very well aware that at 10, when I was reading that book, my life expectancy was supposed to be 20. As I drew closer to 20, medical advances improved the odds, and my life expectancy went up to 40. However, they have not yet found a way to keep someone with sickle cell alive beyond their 50th birthday. There are people who have defied those odds, but it is fair to say those people have a milder case of sickle cell anemia. Sickle cell anemia disease comes in 4 forms. There is the hemoglobin SS disease, the hemoglobin SC disease, there is the beta thalassemia, and there is the, oh boy, I forgot. I pulled a blank. I have no clue. And of course, there's a sickle cell trait, which my son has, but the sickle cell trait does not pose a risk to anyone unless they get married to someone who also has a sickle cell trait, and thereby they would have children and pass it on to their children. My son is very well aware that if he ever hooks up with someone with sickle cell trait and gives me a grandchild with sickle cell anemia, I am going to be most livid, because he has seen what sickle cell anemia does to my body. He has seen me racked in pain. He has seen the numerous hospitalizations. He has seen them trying to get an IV started on me and having to attempt 9 different times to finally end up trying to get it in my groin. He has seen them try to get it and actually puncture my lung by doing an internal jugular. He has seen it all. So, my bold lip for sickle cell challenge is this. Please watch this video, please like this video, please post this video, and help spread the message about sickle cell anemia. It affects way too many African Americans, and it's not limited only to African Americans, but it affects us disproportionately. And to this date, there is no cure on the horizon, and it kills. Please don't let my life be in vain. Love you.